Adios, amigos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Shadow Chronicles, where we make Power BI simple and fun. In today's quick tutorial, you will learn how to use the upper function Power BI DAX with a real Excel dataset. Ready? Let's go. The upper function converts any text into uppercase letters. It's super useful for standardizing your data, especially when working with names, locations, or department fields that are entered inconsistently. We will use a simple Excel dataset with first name, last name, department, location. Let's bring into Power BI. Let's say we want to standardize our departments in uppercase. So go to data view, click any new column, enter this DAX formula. This converts department names like HR, sales or finance super clean and consistent. Now let's add a table visual to see it in action. Go to report view, add a table, then drag in the columns that we need to view. Try this formula. Full name upper is equal to upper of employee's first name and employee's last name. It's perfect for reports, dashboards or exporting clean formatted text. And that's the upper function in Power BI DAX. Super simple but incredibly helpful for keeping your data neat and professional. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Shadow Chronicles and ring that bell icon so you never miss a tip. If you want to drop your questions below, let us know what function you want us to cover next. Thanks.